As you saw in the last video, that was the low bidder. They told the low bidder to go home. They want the big boys. So what we have here is we're getting water from one side of the street to the other. We're using a bore hog, whole hog, or torpedo, whatever you want to call it. So what he's trying to do is hydraulic. He's trying to get it to grab and get it start. So now he's pushing it with his foot. He's using the shovel. Now he's like, oh, okay, there it goes. So you can see he's using foot power, no horsepower. This is all just strictly manpower. And once he gets it going, it'll grab and it'll pull itself all the way through. Now, according to specifications, this hole has to be 30 inches underneath the pavement. So what he's going to do is he's going to let that go ahead and go through. Now the danger to this is as it's going under the street, if it hits a big size rock, it can either deflect it up, which in that case it'll come up in the middle of the street, or it could be deflected down, and in that case it just keeps going down. Now that piece of equipment that just went by, who knows what the name of that is? Put it in the description. As that torpedo's getting close to the other side, you can see it's starting to vibrate and shake some of the rocks loose. So it's coming out, looks like it's coming out good, dead center. Come on, come on, come on out. There it is. And as you can see, it's making a perfect round hole. Now that torpedo weighs about 150 pounds. It's boring about a 4-inch hole. So they're gonna let it keep on coming. And as you look up in the top there, the guy's got the grade stick. So they can shoot the grade and make sure it's far enough under. Okay, so here they've got 3/4 inch copper. It's 100 foot long. It's a soft copper. It's a type K. So what he's going to do, now they've got the hydraulic line and they've connected it to the copper. So they're pulling that hydraulic hose back with the copper attached to it. As you can see, this guy here, he's pushing it in. Kind of close up there. This guy, he's unrolling it. So he continues to push it underneath the street, pushing. Now on the other side of the street, you see the guy's got the hydraulic hose. Now this hose is heavy. This hydraulic hose is full of hydraulic fluid. So look at him, he's really leaning into it and pulling it, as you see on this side. Now we're back on the other side. This is the water main side, and once they get it through, and then it's just all manpower. So they just pull it, and until they get enough of it, and then they'll connect it to the water main. And that's how you get water from the water main side of the street to the other side of the street. So we hope you enjoyed the video. Give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. Click the notification bell. That way you'll be notified whenever a video comes out. And leave a quiet comment. As you can see, I'm sleeping. Thanks for watching. And as always, this is Sleepy Dog Construction at Work.